students, today we are going to discuss physics class 12 lesson 2 current electricity text MCQs prepared by Pipe Pendulum Institute. Lesson 2 current electricity text MCQs. Question number 2. A wire of resistance 2 ohm per meter is bent to form a circle of radius 1 meter. The equivalent resistance between its two diametrically opposite points A and B as shown in the figure. The four options are given. Look at this picture. The circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. A to B is pi r. In the same way, first half pi r, second half also pi r. So total circumference 2 pi r. The radius of the circle r equal to 1 meter. So the length of the arc equal to pi r. So the resistance equal to 2 pi. So the two wires upside and downside are connected in parallel. Parallel formula 1 by Rp equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Here R value 1 by 2 pi plus 1 by 2 pi equal to 2 by 2 pi. So value 1 by pi, 1 by pi, 1 by Rp equal to 1 by pi. So Rp equal to pi ohms. So this is the correct answer. Option A will be the correct answer. Thank you, students.